Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to another tutorial of Solid Edge. And in this tutorial we will learn how to create a part in the part environment and how to use the different features that are provided in the toolbar. During this exercise, first of all, we will construct a model on a faceplate of instrumental faceplate as shown in the figure. So the first step is basically on the left hand side we have a different plane. So first step is we have to select the plane. Next step is from the sketch command, click on the sketch button, go to next. From the plane, coincident plane, select the plane, then click on the rectangular button, draw a rectangle of a random direction, click on the line button, then position the cursor over the left edge of the part, and as you can see the part is point line is highlighted. It means the relationship is indicated. So draw a line, and see when we extend the line up to the right edge, the cursor line also highlighted. It shows when we extend the line above, the highlighted line does not appear. It only shows the highlighted when there is some sort of relationship. So click next. Again click on the line and mark another line. Go to next. Click on the rectangle button, draw two rectangle, approximate size, go to next. Click on the circle button, draw a circle, go to the next. Again draw another circle, go to next. Click on the line, go to next, and finish the sketch. To finish the sketch, click on the return button to close the sketch view. Search window will pop up. Click on the finish. Click save the part. Save as part 4. Save. Go to next. Click on the rotation button. Select from sketch, select the plane, accept, go to next, define the protrusion extent 40, to next, and finish the part. Next is click on the cutout button, go to next, select from sketch, click on the line, to next, accept, ask about the cutout direction, this. Next, then it will ask about the distance. Let's say I will type 30. So click finish. It cut out the material of distance 30 mm. Go to next and click on the finish button. Now construct another protrusion. Click on the protrusion toolbar. Select a plane, coincident plane, plane, select this plane, go to next. Now on the draw toolbar, click the include button. This is the include button. Notice that there are some special symbols like include with offset, include internal face loops. So go to next. The include command copies geometry to the profile plane. You will copy a line from the sketch to the profile. The include option dialog box displays. Click the OK button to dismantle. Position the cursor over the line as shown in the illustration. Click to select it. There is a, like you can see, special symbol that the midpoint of the line you copied. The symbol indicates that the line you copied using the include command is associatively linked to its parent line. Later, if you were to modify the parent line, for example, to change its location, this include the copy of the line would also change its location. Click on the return button. Then it will ask about the protrusion either inside or outside. So we can create, add the material, specify the extent of the material. Let's say I will add 20. So click on the finish. As you can see, the protrusion has been created into the cutout part. Go to the next. Now we will add a draft. Click on the draft command. So this is the draft command. Click on the draft feature. You will add, we have to add 3 degrees of draft to the sides of the part. So go to next, face protrusion. Set the coincident plane. Add the draft. Add the draft. Go to next. Accept. We want to 3. Go to next. Then it will ask. Next, it will ask about the dimension, either invert or outward. So we will apply the invert draft. Go to next. So you can see draft of 3 degree, as you can clearly see from here. Draft of 3 degree has been. Now the line is at an angle of 3 degree. Go to next. Now we will select the round Go to next. So we select the face that we want to round. Let's say we select this face. We select this face. Four, let's say, edge and corner. So again select the round command, finish. Again we can select the edge and corner. We want to this edge, this edge, also this edge. Type a value 4, accept, preview and finish. Go to next. So you can see the round command has been completed. Finish the round. Then we'll create the thin wall. Go to the thin wall command. So we select 2 as a common thickness. Go to next. Then we want to thin wall the because we want to bottom face of the this face to be open. Click next, accept, next, preview. So you can see clearly the bottom face has been removed. Now we again use the cutout command. Go to next, select from the sketch, go to next, select the sketches that we want to cut out. Accept. It will ask the direction of cutout, bottom or upward. Go to next, finish. The following feature has been cut out. Again this feature is, we also want to cut out this feature. Accept. Finish. So all the features has been cut out. Go to next. Then we can also modify the sketch. So simply click on sketch 1, go to edit profile, go to next. So we can reposition can increase or decrease the dimension. You can reposition. So simply return, finish. So you can see the part has been modified. We can also add the dimensions. Simply go to bar, add some arms, this. So we can add the dimension as well. Simply return and save the part. You can also hide the sketch. So this is the final part.